Happy Thursday, first grade. Today we are going to wrap up our week after talking about subjects and predicates all week. Since we don't have school tomorrow, we're going to do our writing assignment today, and we're going to finish up talking about subjects and predicates. All right, remember the subject of the sentence is the who or what did something. Okay? Okay, so the subject is who or what the sentence is about. Okay? The predicate is what the subject does. Remember, we're going to look for the action verb, the action word, the verb that tells us what they did. Verb, action. Okay, it's what they did. What they is the subject, right? What the subject did. Or does, or is, okay? All right, so let's look at a sentence about giraffes. You are going to be looking at a picture in just a minute from your story about giraffes, and you're going to write a sentence with a subject and a predicate about that picture. All right, so here are some examples of sentences about giraffes. This one says giraffes eat leaves. Giraffes eat leaves. Who or what eats leaves? Giraffes. So giraffes is the subject. I am going to circle the subject. Giraffes eat leaves. So that means, what is my predicate? What do giraffes do? Giraffes what? Eat leaves. I'm going to underline my predicate. Now let me write another sentence about giraffes. Another sentence about giraffes would be giraffes run fast. Okay, giraffes run fast. So this time let's look for the predicate first. What do giraffes do? They run fast. That is the predicate. I'm going to underline the predicate that tells what the giraffes do. So now we know what our subject is. What's our subject? Who runs fast? Giraffes. Okay. Now, let's write another sentence about giraffes. This one is going to say it's going to be a little bit different, make it a little bit trickier. This says, they are tall. Okay, so what would my subject be in this sentence? Who are tall? They are tall. Yes, I'm talking about the giraffes. You are absolutely right. But I used a different word this time. I used a different word instead of giraffes again. So the giraffes are tall, but in this sentence, they are tall. So I'm going to circle the word they for my subject. They are what? Are tall. I have to include the word are. Are is a special kind of verb that we'll talk about later. It doesn't show action, but it still tells me what the giraffes are or what they do. Now, you are going to get out your journal and you are going to write a sentence about the giraffe picture from our story. And make sure you have a complete subject, a complete predicate, a capital letter, and a period, and a great weekend, because I will not see you again until next Tuesday. Okay? Take care. Bye.